I'm Alex, and today I'm here with Joe, who's acting as the cameraman right now, and we're going to show you how to set up our inflatable annex. This inflatable annex comes as a complimentary gift along with each of our 12-foot and 15-foot vans, and it's valued at around $3,000, so I'd say it's worth your time. Anyways, so as a special bonus, we'll be setting up a timer on how long it takes to set this up, so it'll give you an accurate estimation as to how long it'll take to set up with 2 people. And so let's get started right away, shall we? So to start off with, this is what comes in our inflatable annex package. It comes with it's a 5-piece setup. So you have your main piece, your 2 connecting pieces, and 2 side pieces. And you also get a complimentary air pump to go along with it. So how it goes is, first you have to put the main piece along the sail track, and then you put the 2 sidewalls up, connect it to the main piece, and then you lay the flooring, connect the flooring to the whole structure, and then you pump up the main piece with the complimentary air pump. Alright guys, so to start off with, you want to grab your main piece, and it's got this ribbed line that you want to slide all the way up through the side into the center sail track. Once you center it, then you can move on to attaching the 2 side pieces. Alright guys, we're just about to start, and look, time is starting. Let's get it cracking. Alright, Joey. Alright, this end is going to go over there. Okay. So it's going to go all the way up like that. Sweet. And yeah, I'll be sliding it along, but I need you to feed it up. Right. Because it's going to want to fall down. Yeah. So as you can see, it just slides in the sail track just like this, and you bring it all the way up, all the way through to the center. Good. Yeah, so I would strongly recommend having 2 people to do this job, since this main piece, it's not exactly a light piece, it's heavy canvas. So it's going to want to fall down, and you're going to need a second person to feed it upwards. Let's keep going. Almost there, Joe? I think that's good, eh? Alright, so we just put the main piece on and we centered it. Now, what's next is we have to put the 2 sidewalls up and connect it to the main piece. As you can see from over here, the sidewalls connect via Velcro and a zipper. And what's the timer at, Joe? We're at nine and a half minutes. So let's keep moving along. Alrighty, hey guys. Now that the main piece is fixed and in position, next what we're gonna do to make life a bit easier is we're gonna pump this thing up so it's out of the way and it's easier to work with that way. Alright, let's get into it. Yeah, look, if you think this process is a bit tedious, we actually have an electric air pump that you can buy for $50 that goes really well with this annex. Yeah, once you start feeling the pressure and it gets harder and harder to pump, that's a sign of that air tube is starting to get full. Alright guys, we're about halfway through, and yeah, this is what it looks like once you've pumped up the air in it. Not too shabby, huh? Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to grab these pieces. There's a left and a right one, and they just go up along the side rails. And the bottom just lines up with the bottom of the sail track. Alright guys, now that those side pieces are on, it's time to put up the sidewalls. This part of the sidewall will go into right here, and it'll connect up with the zipper, and it will stick to the side with the Velcro. So, yeah.
That's actually ridiculously easy, man.
Yeah, it's quite easy to do, right? Once you know what you're doing. Yeah. All right, now let's attach the sidewalls up. Sweet. Now let's do the other side. Alright, now that the two sidewalls are on, next what we're going to do is we're going to clip the wind guard on. So this wind guard, it has these little buckles that go into these little eyeballs right here. And it just goes all along the base of the van and blocks off the wind. Alright, now that the sidewalls and the wind guard is on, you've got to connect all the pieces via the Velcro on the flooring. But yeah, as you can see, it all connects by Velcro all along the sides as well. So you have Velcro on the flooring, Velcro on the side panels, and they all need to be connected. Alright, and the last step before we complete this annex is we need to put the two front doors on. And yeah, it works the same way as the two sidewalls, mainly just Velcro and zippers. So probably 3 minutes left, I don't know. Alright guys, and that's the inflatable annex done. Joe, unlock your phone. And so, that's how long it takes to set up with two people. 30 minutes. If you're planning on staying at a campsite for a longer period of time, I'd say the 30 minutes would be well worth it. And let's give you guys a quick overview of how everything looks. So you have the outdoor kitchen out, you have the picnic table out. Perfect for a small family. You can have your dog out, and yeah, it's perfect if you have kids and stuff like that. This is what it all looks like from the side. Goes really well with the 12 foot, don't you think? And let's take a look inside. Alright guys, that just about wraps up everything for our inflatable annex tutorial. And just one last comment before I ride off into the sunset. Our 12 foot van is currently on special for $45,800, down from a price of $48,800. And we're also giving away a free 2 kilowatt diesel heater, supply and install, along with a free complimentary battery upgrade from 100 amp hours of lithium ion all the way to 200 amp hours of lithium ion. And of course it comes along with our inflatable annex. And if you want to come see the inflatable annex and our vans, we're over here down at 357 Macdonnell Road, Clontarf. We'll be here Monday through to Friday, and we're even open on Saturdays and Sundays. So bring the family, come see our vans, come see the annex. It'll be a good day. Alright, with that being said guys, thanks for watching the video. Drop a comment in the comment section if you have any feedback or input. I'm always open to that kind of stuff, and it'd be very much appreciated. So thank you guys for watching the video, and chuck us a subscribe if you want to see more Beyond RV related content. Thanks guys, I'm Alex, and this is Beyond RV. I'll see you in the next video.